A major budget cut could undermine the government's plans for the agricultural sector. The Agriculture Ministry has been pushing farmers to produce more. But as you'll hear in this report from Krista Campbell, farmers could find it harder to get their crops to market.
Jamaica's borders now reopened. Tourists have started to come again, and the economy is slowly picking up. Farmers are being told to plant more so they can capitalize on the renewed markets, particularly in tourism. But old challenges persist, which could derail the big plans for agriculture.
Farm roads, gosh, that's one thing you talk about. The farmers are atrocious. In order for us to get out our produce out, we need to have proper roads to drive on. Right now, my motor vehicle needs some parts I can't even afford to buy. I can't get them. They're hard to source.
That's Charmaine Blair Stewart, who farms in the Plantain Garden River Valley in St. Thomas. Her complaints are not lost on Minister without portfolio with responsibility for agriculture, J.C. Hutchinson. He spoke with farmers in Dunkeld in rural St. Catherine recently.
It could be somewhere in the region of 40 farm roads, and you're just looking at one constituency. We have 43 rural constituencies. So when you check it out, if each one has even 20 farm roads which are in a deplorable condition. For instance, my constituency, I have 52 roads which are in a deplorable condition.
But he says there's not much his ministry will be able to do, at least not for this financial year.
We are going to be doing, I think, maybe 2 farm roads in this constituency for this financial year. But the finance cannot go further than that.
That's because of a more than 50% budget cut in the supplementary estimates of expenditure for the Agriculture Ministry.
We got $1.2 billion for farm roads in the original budget. With this one now, it has been cut to $525 million. So all the roads that we had looked at originally, we have to put everything one side and do some rescoping, as I would call it, and see what roads we now can get within the $525 million.
He wants the municipal corporations to help procure the contracts so work can start by as early as September 2020. Meanwhile, as the Agriculture Ministry pushes for increased production, it's trying to secure a duty concession on imported seeds. It's already made headway with imported farm vehicles and equipment.
The duty concession on which you pay 20% duty on imported farm vehicles, and that's critical. So you must be registered, you must have at least 5 acres of land in production, and you must be actively working. The other one is the PIR, Production Incentive Relief, and that's the one you relate to you, where you bring in farm equipment.
Krista Campbell, TVJ News.